Solution evaluation. Benefits: balances the user and business's needs, makes easier the comparison, gives focus to the process, keeps grounded on research and supports decision making. Input: prototype solutions, users and businesses criteria. Output: list of solutions based on the assessments of user and business's value. What it does? This type of methods helps you decide and evaluate from different solutions which options you should pick and which to modify. How it works? Solutions are placed on a map with a user on a provided value score so you can identify the patterns of distribution and decide which type of prototype is better to select and modify. In order to explain better this method, we'll be applying it based on the next project, fabric waste. Step 1. Create a user and provider value criteria by using the principles and insights from each user in order to have features, benefits, and findings from contexts that matter the most to your user target. Step 2. Create a solution evaluation matrix by listing the solutions and to the right, the user and provider value criteria so you can add a total value from both. Step 3. Score solutions by scaling them against the different criteria. Step 4. Plot solutions with their user and provider value onto a map based on their scores. Step 5. Analyze the solution distributions by joining in a line the high endpoints dividing the high user value from the high provider value, passing to the most important from development. Step 6. Share these findings and discuss the steps based on the evaluations you made. Don't take into account just the value solutions high. Also the low ones combined, they can also be good choices. This is an example of a table you should be making. Step 1. Step 2. Step 3. Step 4. And Step 5. A managing diabetes is an example of this problem. A design team discovered 3 difficulties: following and support, making the right decisions, and drawing connections. Then this made these 3 situations into their insights, and then design principles. Then they create a concept matrix by listing the 4 components of the diabetic experience like education, diagnosis, prevention, and management against the primary activities. The disease so they could generate the concepts and distinguish them by patient, family, friends, and medical personnel. In order to have solution, they create into 9 solution systems by relating each one of them against the primary user values. Then the system came out. Health education programs, a series of ID classes, materials, and all those kinds of events.
Created using Powtoon.